Everyone, my name is Faizan and I'm really excited to share my journey on how I came across Fortray Global Services and recently secured a job as an IT service technician at Amiria. So I come from a completely non-technical background, and for a long time I have struggled to transition into IT until I came across Fortray Global Services. And what helped me the most was the live sessions, live lab sessions, training sessions, as well as the mock interview sessions, which provided me the confidence, and with their structured feedback I was able to secure a job within the IT industry. Of course, starting from a non-technical background was not easy, however you do have to put in the work as well, and Fortray did give me that confidence when I was feeling down and when I was not feeling my best. Fortray did give me that confidence in how to secure the job and how to ace the interviews. Looking back, I can say that Fortray has been a great investment for me, and I would highly recommend Fortray Global Services to anyone who is trying to make that career change or is trying to transition into IT. And thank you very much.